Hello students, today's topic is performance analysis of an algorithm. So first of all we will understand what is performance analysis of an algorithm. An algorithm is said to be efficient and fast if it takes less time to execute and consumes less memory space. Now the performance analysis of an algorithm is measured by two factors. First one is space complexity and second is time complexity. So first we will understand space complexity. The space complexity is amount of memory space required by an algorithm during course of execution. This is called space complexity. The space complexity is SP is equal to C of P plus S of P. So by the equation SP is equal to Cp of Sp. Space complexity is measured by two factors Cp and Sp, where the Cp is a fixed part and Sp is a variable part. Let us see by the one example. See, this is one example. Algorithm ABC in bracket x comma y comma z returns x multiply y multiply z plus x plus y, where we have to find the space complexity Sp is equal to Cp plus Sp, where the Cp is a fixed part and the Sp is a variable part. Now we will consider the memory per unit, where the x, y and the z is taking 1 unit. So we are giving 1 unit, so total 3 units, and the there is no variable part, that's why 0. So the total space complexity of the program or algorithm is 3. Now we can consider another algorithm also. This is our another algorithm. The algorithm is algorithm sum x comma n, total is initialization is 0 for I is equal to 1 2 and 2, total is equal to total plus x of I. So we have to find the space complexity. First we will find the fixed part space complexity. So there is a we have to find the value of n. Suppose the n value is 3. So suppose the n value is 3. So the for loop I is equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3, it will run 3 times. So the I value is fixed, so Cp is equal to 3 plus, that is our Cp. Now what is the value of Sp? The Sp is a variable, so the total is going to change. How? Total plus x of I. First x of I is equal to x of 1 time change, plus x of 2 times change, plus x of 3 times change. So it will changing is in 3 times, 1 2 and 3. Now the value now the total value is depends upon two terms, factor total plus x of I. So this is a changing our variable parts, so it will changing in 3 times. Now here I is equal to 1 2 3 means the value is depend upon n, so n, and the x of I value is changing 3 times, x of I, x of 1, x of 2, x of 3. So the 3, so 3 plus n. How? The Cp fixed is, suppose we are taking n is equal to 3, so the total fixed part is 3. Now Sp means the variable times total plus x of I. So I is changing for 1 time, 2nd time and 3 time, that's why 3 plus the variable part total is dependent on total plus x of I. So the total is 3, that's why 3 plus n. So the value space complexity of Sp is Cp plus Sp, that is 3 plus 3 plus n. Now you understood? So the time complexity is how much time it consumes to execute the particular program. It measure time. So this is the time complexity is also to run a program P also consists of two parts. So the first part is fixed and second is variable, same like a space complexity. So the fixed part of the time complexity is compile time, which is independent of the program instance C, and the second is variable part. The second part is variable part, runtime, which depends on the program instance TP instance. So by the formula where the TP is equal to C plus TP instances, where the TP is time complexity of the program, C is the compile time, this is called fixed part, and the TP is equal to runtime, this is called variable part. Now here you all understand what is the fixed part and variable part. The fixed part is the compile time and the variable part is runtime, right? So we will see by one example how to find out time complexity of a program. So this is example algorithm sum a of array comma n curly bracket s variable initialization with 0 for loop I is equal to 1 to n where s is equal to s plus a of I return s. Now here we will find out the time complexity. Basically the time complexity is a calculation of fixed part and variable part. So first we will find out the fixed part. Fixed part means by default time. So this is a function declaration, it will take by default time, so it will take 0 time, the curly bracket 0 time. Now the s is equal to 0. In the whole program s variable is initialized single time, so we will take 1. Now the for loop I is equal to 1 to n, so basically we should take n time right now, and s is equal to s plus a of I. So what is the value of I? It will incremented it, so we will take for considerable n time. Return s, it will return only 1 in a program, 1, and the curly bracket is 0. Now we will understand function declaration is 0. Function declaration is 0. The function declaration is 0, curly bracket is 0, s in variable initialization single time 1, for loop 1 to n time, values s is equal to s plus a of I, this is n time. In whole program it will return single time 1, and the curly bracket is by default compile time, means this is 0. Now this is a time complexity of a program. Now we should understand exactly what happened in the program, so I will tell you. Suppose here I am taking the n value, so n is equal to 2. Now the program will come in this part in for loop for I is equal to 1 and 2. First time it will take 1. Now the s value is changing. After that it will go for 2. One time already done, second time it will done for operation is I is equal to 2, and it will go for third time. Now the condition is false, so it will run one more time. So the n is not n this exactly, but this is n plus 1 time. So the total time complexity is n 2n plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, this is 3. So this is a time complexity of the program, that is called TP. Now exactly if we want to know the time complexity, so the 3 is a constant time, we will neglect it 3, and if you will go for the BIGO notation, then the 2 is also cancelled, means 1 and 2 and 3 and so 1 2 3 Again, this is not a factor, so we have to take the time complexity in a big O notation, n square n to the power t. So the time complexity of this program is equal to big O of or order of n. Thank you.